स्वागत है आप सबका स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले सेट 3 फॉर सॉम दैट 22306 एंड मॉस 22303। तो आपका जो बैकलॉग का एग्जाम है दैट विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 23 नवंबर एज बोर्ड ने हमें बताया गया है। तो हमने सेट 1 एंड सेट 2 कवर कर लिया है, टोटल 40 क्वेश्चंस। तो आज के सेट में हम बाकी के क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं। तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपने सेट 1 एंड सेट 2 अभी तक नहीं देखा हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने लिंक दी है, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक चेक कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। सेट 3, the first question is, if the tearing efficiency of a riveted joint is 50%, then ratio of the rivet hole diameter to the pitch of the rivets is 0.20, 0.30, 0.50, 0.60. So right answer is C, that is 0.50. ठीक है। The rectangular beam A has length I, width B and depth D. Another beam B has the same length and the depth, but width is double that of A. The elastic strength of the beam B will be dash as compared to beam A. So option A, same, double, 4 times, 6 times. So right answer is in a simple bending of beams, the stress in the beam varies linearly, parabolically, hyperbolically, elliptically. The right answer is A, that is linearly. A beam supported at its both ends is not a simply supported beam. तो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है कि फॉल्स है? तो ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है, दैट इज रॉन्ग। ठीक है। The stress at which the extension of the material takes place more quickly as compared to the increase in load is called elastic limit, yield point, ultimate point या फिर breaking point. So right answer is B, that is yield point. The strain energy stored in a solid circular shaft subjected to shear stress is where C equal to modulus of rigidity for the shaft material. तो इसमें से क्या है, ताउ by 2c into volume of shaft, ताउ square upon 2c into volume of the shaft, ताउ upon 4c into volume of the shaft, ताउ square upon 4c into volume of the shaft. तो right answer is D. ठीक है। When two main plates are kept in alignment, butting each other and riveted with cover plate on both sides of the main plates with 2 rows of rivets in each main plate, the joint is known as dash double cover butt joint. The right answer is next. Whenever a material is loaded within elastic limit, stress is dash strain. So equal to, directly proportional to, inversely proportional to. The right answer is directly proportional to. A load which is spread over a beam in such a manner that it varies uniformly over the whole length of a beam is called uniformly distributed load या फिर wearing load. The answer is wearing load, that is B. Which of the following statement is correct? The energy stored in a body when strained within elastic limit is known as strain energy. The maximum strain energy which can be stored in a body is termed as proof resilience. The proof resilience per unit volume of a material is known as modulus of resilience. या फिर all of the above. The answer is all of the above, that is D. Compression members always tend to buckle in the direction of the axis of load, perpendicular to the axis of load, minimum cross section, least radius of gyration. The right answer is least radius of gyration, that is D. The maximum tangential stress in a thick cylindrical shell is always dash the internal pressure acting on the shell. The right answer is greater than. Clear? C. A thin spherical shell of diameter d and thickness t is subjected to an internal pressure P. The stress in the shell material is PD by T, PD by 2T, PD by 4T, PD by 8T. The right answer is C, that is PD by 4T. Rivets are generally specified by thickness of plates to be joined, overall length, shank diameter, diameter of the head. The right answer is shank diameter, that is C. Principal plane is a plane on which the shear stress is 0, minimum या फिर maximum. The right answer is A, that is 0. The bending moment in the center of simply supported beam carrying a uniform distributed load of W per unit length is 0, या फिर WL square upon 2, या फिर WL square by 4, या फिर WL square by 8. राइट आंसर इज WL square by 8. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये भी पढ़ लो कि एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि UDL का फुल फॉर्म क्या है. तो UDL का है यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लोड. ठीक है. When a thin cylindrical shell is subjected to an internal pressure, there will be decrease in diameter and length of the shell, an increase in diameter and decrease in length of the shell, a decrease in diameter and increase in length of the shell, an increase in diameter and length of the shell. The right answer is D, that is an increase in diameter and length of the shell. A welded joint as compared to a riveted joint has dash strength. तो सेम स्ट्रेंथ होगा, लेस स्ट्रेंथ होगा कि मोर स्ट्रेंथ होगा. तो राइट आंसर इज मोर स्ट्रेंथ. A shear force at a point on a beam is the algebraic dash of all the forces on either side of the point. तो ऑप्शन ए sum, ऑप्शन बी difference. Right answer is A, that is sum. The point of contraflexure occurs in cantilever beams, simply supported beams, overhanging beams या फिर fixed beams. Right answer is overhanging beams. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि SSB क्या है. तो SSB का फुल फॉर्म है सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम. ठीक है, तो ये भी आप ऐसा ध्यान में रखो. ठीक है, आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए. लाइक करने के साथ साथ इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में नए सेट के साथ, नए क्वेश्चन के साथ. वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.